The seller sent us these in exchange for a video, but all of the opinions in this video are our own. In fact, I like them so much, I just bought another set. Look amazing.
This is $1,000 a night room. This is a...
I'm blown away.
That lighting is incredible.
In the box, you're going to have 2 remote controls. These are really cool. So the light bulbs on these are rechargeable, and they also have different colors, timers, different modes. I'm super excited to plug these in. You're going to have the instruction manual, the mounting hardware, the light fixtures itself, and then on the back of these is where you're going to find your mounts. And not only do you not have to wire these into the wall, you don't even have to plug them in because the light bulbs are rechargeable. This is so cool. Then you're going to have the shades and the components to put the shades together. So to put the shades on, let's just get these all ready before I put them on the wall. There's little clips on here. The Velcro is nice and secure. Then we're going to move this piece, put this up here, and put this piece back on. To get the mount off, we're going to unscrew that beauty cap and this beauty cap. And then we can hook this into the wall, screw this into the wall. Not only are these rechargeable, but you could just pull them off to recharge them. They're magnetic. This is probably the best design I think I have ever seen. And I've seen a lot of designs for this type of light. This is fantastic. While these are charging, you can see that the red light is on. I'm going to put these on the wall. I have both of the mounts installed, so let's go see if the light bulbs are charged. Okay, so that's what they look like. I am impatiently waiting on the light bulbs to charge so that I can test those out, but the lamps, no cords, no wires, 2 screws for each lamp. It's fantastic, okay? There's also 2 pivot points, so you can move these around, pull them away from the wall, move them to the left and the right. It's amazing. When they're charged, they will light up green.
After coming home from work, would you rather walk into this? Or this?
That's not plugged in.
Well, yeah, I'd much rather walk into this.
Okay, let's try some modes. So we have a... Oh, my Lanta! They're purple. Oh. Whoa, it's a disco. Okay, so wait, these transition to different colors.
I want these in my room.
No, they're mine. Shh, don't tell him I bought him a set for Christmas. They have multiple, so you have warm white.
That is so nice on the eyes. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, these are really nice. And then, oh my Lancer. That's so cool though. Like, come on, for Halloween or something?
I mean, yeah.
Green. So you can change them into a solid color. Blue, orange, teal, purple. I actually kind of like the purple.
I do too.
Really yellow, like really, really warm.
Yeah.
Another blue. I kind of like the blue. I like the purple a lot. Okay, these are... I also really like the transition though.
Yeah.
Into the colors.
I need these in my room.
And also they have a timer. These have a 30-minute, a 60-minute, and a 120-minute timer. They also brighten. I think they're all the way bright right now. Yeah. They also dim. Look. Dim and bright. And dim. Oh, that's really nice. That's soft and subtle. These are fantastic. One remote for my husband and one for me.